This kitchen assistant doesn't just channel liquids, it does so much more. Equipped with various features, Multifunctional becomes a versatile companion for various kitchen tasks. Whether you're transferring liquids, straining ingredients, or even sifting dry goods, Multifunctional is the guardian of your kitchen efficiency, offering convenience in every pour and transfer. It's not just a funnel, it's a symphony of multitasking culinary convenience. Versatility is Multifunctional's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific pouring scenarios, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The adjustable funnels and interchangeable filters allow you to tailor the tool to suit different tasks, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various kitchen challenges. Whether you're baking, canning, or preparing a complex recipe, Multifunctional is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of kitchen efficiency. It's not just a funnel, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary versatility. Operation is a breeze with Multifunctional. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily switch between features with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making Multifunctional reliable culinary companion for your kitchen adventures. It's not just a funnel, it's an easy upgrade to a world of multifunctional efficiency. But what about durability? Multifunctional doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying kitchen conditions. The robust features and secure attachments maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your new multifunctional funnel remains a reliable tool for the long run. It's not just a funnel, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and style of your culinary endeavors. Now, let's talk about the experience. Multifunctional isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a sensory delight. The smooth operation, the versatility in culinary tasks, and the overall enhancement of your kitchen routine, it's a symphony of modern culinary convenience. The experience isn't just about pouring liquids, it's about turning every kitchen task into a harmonious blend of convenience and efficiency. That is it for today, guys. Kindly show some love by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more great content. Cheers!